Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys on what to do before you actually click on links that you do not have any idea about. So mostly people share links whereby you see messages like the government is sharing this amount to people or win scholarships like this and a whole lot. People are trying to use this kind of links to get your credentials or to hack you. So I'm going to teach you on what to do to prevent all these things so you can be free, or what to do before you actually attempt a link. So when you see these links that are being sent to you, examples like the government is sharing this amount of money to people and it's limited to 100 people and all of those kind of messages. First of all, there's a caution you need to note here. The government do not do things without the consent of the public. And also, if the government is doing something, it will be published in newspapers, on TVs and radio stations and these public platforms. But you end up seeing links in your WhatsApp groups and Facebook, all other social media platforms. People are sharing this kind of links to you, and this is very, very vulnerable to your safety because these are phishing links used by people to steal credentials. So this is what I'm going to teach you on how you can verify if the link is actually right or wrong. So there is a website called VirusTotal. VirusTotal is a website dedicating itself to verify links for us if they are active, I mean if they are real or they are phishing or malicious links. So we head to our web browser and then we launch our web browser and type in there VirusTotal. So virustotal.com, it gives us this interface and this is how it looks like. So it comes in three sections where we have the file, we have the URL, and also we have the search part. If somebody sends you a file and you want to know if this file is actually a real file or a malicious file, you can choose the file option, select the file that the person sent to you, and VirusTotal will analyze it and tell you if that file is legitimate or it's a phishing file. So we are going to the URL option because mostly this is the part where people use to actually get the credentials of people. So when you find yourself losing your accounts, your Gmail, and all of that, because people are actually doing this behind back doors. So they create a phishing link trying to clone a website whereby they will get your address, maybe your Gmail. So they create a fake Gmail, they clone a Gmail account and link it to this phishing link, and then they send it to you. Or maybe there's platforms where they say that the government is sharing this amount of money, and you need to log in with your Google account to participate or partake in whatever that they are doing. So in case you have a link, let's say let's take in the link. Yeah, so let's go youtube.com. So youtube.com. So I'm actually trying to use this YouTube link to verify if YouTube link or YouTube itself is actually legitimate or not. So we have YouTube here. This is the interface of YouTube, and I'm going to copy the link, which is youtube.com. Go to VirusTotal, the URL option, and paste it over there. So I hit enter or the search part over there, and it analyzes it for me. It says that clean. As you can see, I can see clean throughout, which means that that link is absolutely clean. It's free, and there is no hacking things going on in here. But immediately you post in a link and you get a notice like this shown on the screen with this red links, or with this red indications that phishing or malicious. You need to avoid this kind of links because these links are actually malicious links or either a phishing link. The phishing is a term used in this cybersecurity where they use to get credentials. So if you see this red notices as popped up on the screen, please and please stay away from links, those kind of links. So this is what you should actually do whenever you see links circulating in your WhatsApp groups, your Facebook, or anybody that sends you any link concerning anything that you don't have any idea about. You have to first verify the link over here and you can attempt it. Thank you and see you in the next one.